Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be looking at deriving the formulas for the sum and product of roots of quadratic equation. In this situation whereby we have a quadratic equation, this is the general form of quadratic equation, general form, and obviously we have two answers. They either two distinct, real, two imaginary. Whereby you just have to represent it with alpha or beta. Then how can we find the sum of those roots and the product of the roots without calculating the actual root, whether through factorization method, the formula, or even computing square method? Another example, if you have two roots, 2 and 3, how can you find the product? That is, the product here will be 5 and the sum here will be 5 and the product will be 6, right? How do you find these two values, that is sum and product, without solving the actual root? So there are formulas for it. So that we're going to be looking at in this video. So this is the quadratic equation form and this is the quadratic formula. So in this, we can have two possible answers for two roots, right? So you can just split this. This is plus or minus. When you're solving a quadratic formula, you eventually have to split them into minus b plus and minus b minus. So let's do that for me. On side here, we have minus b plus b squared for ac over 2a, or x minus b minus, get to this point for ac over 2a. This should be an equals to a. So x is equals to a. So remember our discriminant, just to reduce the what we are working with. We have discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, and like I said earlier, yeah, let's represent our answers, the two. So we have to represent, especially we have two distinct answers, let's represent them with two variable factors, that is alpha and beta. So then alpha is now equals to, it doesn't matter which is which, as long as you represent two different ones with one. So you have, now our d is b squared, so you have d over 2a, or now you can say beta equals to b minus root d over 2a, right? So moving further, now we have two roots. Let's assume these are answers, that they are just in formula form. So to find the of roots sum of roots, we just have to do a alpha plus beta. So what's our alpha? B plus what's our beta? We have, no, this should be in bracket, minus b minus root d. Say that to me. So factor both sides, have 2a, so right, then add the minus b plus root d plus, yeah, adding the roots again, minus b d, right? Then this and this goes, because they are both opposite. They have minus 2b over 2a. So you took strike out, we have alpha plus beta is equals to minus b over a. Let's take note of this. So we go to the answer of b. So instead of calculating, we have any answer. So just go take anyone occupying the b position, anyone occupying a position. If you have a minus b over a, you actually get what the sum of the roots are getting. Then for the product of root, just the way we did this one, so you have to multiply both sides. So you have minus b to a, let's say multiply by, right? So multiplying this together, you have 4a square, right? Then you have to multiply these two together. That gives us a long equation like this. This multiplied by this gives us a b square. This multiplied by this will give us a plus a root 3. This is going to go minus b d. Then this one gives us a plus d. Right? Root times root, that is 2 times root 2 gives us 2. So something like that. 4ac square. So these two leave us. So they're both opposite. So we have b square plus d all over 4a square. So we can't progress with that, but we know d is equals to what? In our previous we have b square plus 4ac, right? So just substitute back into this equation. We have b square plus square minus 4ac. Take now we we actually had the mistake here. So you're having roots here and here. You have a negative, so you have this will be negative, negative, yeah, negative. We have a negative here as well. So look at 72. While this is a bracket, so leave this in bracket. This will be a negative here as well. So give us minus 4a square. So this minus gives us everything. So you have b square minus b square plus 4ac. This and this leaves us, so you have 4ac over 4a square, 4 cancel 4, so that is a, so you have alpha, alpha beta equals to c all over a. So with these two formulas, you can have the roots at the sum of the roots, then the product of the roots. Thank you very much. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you how to use these two root formulas to solve different possible quadratic equation formulas. Thank you very much.